welcome back to this video. If you haven't seen how I achieved this look, then go watch the previous video. So let's get on to today's video. We are going to be doing an anime character type ordeal. I'm going to be transforming myself into a cartoon character. So have our face on, so I'm just going to be starting off with making my eyes appear bigger. So let's do that right now. And for that, I'm just going to be taking the L1 brush, and this is basically just a lip brush. And then I already depotted some of the Graftopian white color out and placed it on my palette. So let's gonna start by placing the white down and basically making our eyes appear bigger. Okay, so we have that on, so we are just going to be doing the same thing on the other eye. Okay, so once we have that, I'm just going to be taking a white eyeshadow. I'm basically just setting that for right now. Okay, so we set that, and then what I'm just going to be doing is I'm just going to be placing a little bit of this gray under the eyes. So basically that's just going to kind of tie in the eye aspect into it. Let me pull this shadow out and basically just swipe it. So we're basically just kind of creating a new eye shape right now. Looking right now. And then just kind of smoke this, cause this is gonna be our new lash line, so we're really just gonna smoke that out. Okay, so our eyes are kind of coming together slowly but surely, but this is how it's looking. And then I'm just gonna place in with that gray again, and I'm just gonna smoke it out a little bit more, bring it lower. I'm going with that blending brush again. Now we are just going to be mimicking my eyes kind of on the lower one. So I already made a green color and I used the Graftopian mixing thing one again. And I took the blue and then the yellow shade. So I'm just gonna kind of start working that into a new pupil. So I have this pointed brush. For some reason my eyes are usually green, but they look a little bit more brown today. So we're just gonna start with the base of the green and mix a little bit of black in it to darken it up. Alright, and then I'm just going to be taking a brownie shade, and I'm just going to be setting that. As you can see, our eyes are already giving an illusion that they're bigger from afar. Alright, and then I'm actually just going to be adding a little bit more white onto the outside. This is how they're looking. So now we're just going to be adding some browns into it. So I'm just going to take this little flat brush, this taupey color. This is how they're looking. And then, so I'm going to be going in with this small smudger brush, and I'm just going to be going into black paint and then just drawing a new pupil. So I'm just going to go into a small pencil brush in black and basically just set it. Okay, and then go back in white. But so far I'm pretty happy with how it's looking. From afar, I feel like you definitely get the illusion of bigger eyes. I'm just going to be smoking out the lower lash line. Alright, so I feel like the eyes are pretty much complete. I'm going to pop on some lashes and then I'll be right back. And then for these, I'm just using some super big lashes. Alright, so the lashes are on now, and I'm just gonna work on smoking the under eye. And then I'm just going to be applying some more heavy brush. Alright, and now we're going to be moving on to lips, and for that I'm just going to be taking a Tarte lip paint. This is in Festival. And I'm going to be overdrawing my lips. And I'm going to put some of this Lime Crime Diamond Dust Crusher in the center. It's just like a pink glitter. I'm going to be taking this angled liner brush. Okay, so then this is the complete look of my anime character look. I hope you guys loved it, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned until next video. Bye guys.